Good morning to everybody. That is, good morning to everybody. Multiplicative inverse of a complex number or reciprocal of a complex number. Multiplicative inverse of a complex number or reciprocal of a complex number. Multiplicative inverse, that is a symbol. This is the multiplicative inverse symbol. Reciprocal means 1 by z, both are same. Multiplicative inverse of a complex number. What is the definition? A non-zero definition, a non-zero complex number is defined by multiplicative inverse. That is z inverse. This is the symbol, is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. A non-zero complex number is defined by multiplicative inverse. That is, z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Non-zero complex number means if there is no zero. Understood? If there is no zero, that is non-zero complex number only defined on multiplicative inverse. This is the formula or definition. Or z multiplicative inverse in another way, 1 by z. Both are same meaning. That is the formula z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. A non-zero complex number is defined by multiplicative inverse. That is, z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Z inverse is another value 1 by z. Z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. That is, express your take any one complex number in general. Let z is equal to a plus ib be a complex number. This complex number, write its multiplicative inverse. We know that multiplicative inverse formula, z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Z bar is what? Modulus of z square is what? This symbol is what? Conjugate conjugate. This symbol is modulus. That is Z bar conjugate is A plus IB becomes A minus IB. Just change imaginary part of the sign, that is the conjugate. Modulus of Z is square root of, definition of modulus is what? Square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Here real part is what? A square plus imaginary part is what? B square. Its square is there. Square and root get cancel. Modulus of Z whole square is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Substitute these two values in this equation number 1. Z inverse multiplied inverse is Z bar A minus IB divided by modulus of Z whole square, A square plus B square. This is the general form. Let Z is equal to A plus IB. To find multiplicative inverse of this is the formula. Z multiplicative inverse is Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. Z bar is conjugate. A plus IB conjugate is what? A minus IB. Modulus of Z is what? Square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Present only A square plus B square. This is the general. Examples. Or another form. If suppose here a direct another one method is there. Suppose forget the formula, just keep in your mind another one direct method is there. Reciprocal, another method or another method is there. Reciprocal, Z becomes 1 by Z is equal to 1 by A plus IB form. 1 by A plus A. Here algebra on complex number, division of complex, definitely by use rationalizing the function, rationalizing the function, that is A plus IB becomes A minus IB divided by A minus I is equal to 1 by Z means what? Z multiplied inverse. Suppose 1 by A is there, this can be written A power inverse. A minus this can be 1 by A, 1 by Z. Denominator, product, denominator, product, numerator. Numerator A minus IB. Denominator A plus B, A minus B. Formula is what? A square minus B square. A is what? A square minus B square is what? IB square. IB square. That is equal to A minus IB divided by A square minus I square into B square. A square value is what? A square value is minus 1. Minus minus plus. A square plus B square A minus IB. This is direct method. Formula method is answer will be same, or direct method answer will be same. Z is equal to A plus IB form. Find its multiplicative inverse. Two method, one formula method, another one is direct method. Formula method I will explain before. Next, regular method or direct method. Take reciprocal 1 by Z, 1 by A plus IB. Division of complex. Rationalizing the function. Here A plus IB becomes A minus IB divided by A minus IB. Denominator A plus B, A minus B formula. A square minus IB square. Numerator as it is. A square is A square. This IB is there. I square, B square. I square value is what? Minus 1, minus minus plus. Both answer will be same. Next, some examples on multiplicative inverse. It is example number 1. Find multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. That is solution. Let Z is equal to 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Find its multiplicative inverse in two methods. One is formula, another one is direct. I will explain by use formula method. We know that multiplicative inverse formula is equal to Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. This is the formula. To find the value of Z bar, to find the value of modulus of Z. This is the conjugate symbol. This is modulus symbol. To find conjugate, to find modulus. Conjugate of this is the conjugate. 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i. This is the definition of conjugate. Conjugate definition is what? Here, change imaginary part of the sign in complex number. Here, 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i. Next, that is modulus of z. Modulus of z formula, square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Here, real part is what? 2. 2 square is what? 4 plus. Negative square is always positive. Negative square is always positive. 3 square is what? 9. 3 square is what? 9. That is square root of 4 plus 9 is 13. That is in the form of what? Here square, 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 square. Square and root get cancelled. Value is what? 13. Substitute these two values. Substitute these two values. Substitute these two values in equation number 1. That is z bar is what? 2 plus 3i divided by modulus of z whole square is what? 13. Or this can be written in another form, 2 by 13 real part plus 3 by 13 imaginary part. This is the multiplicative inverse of a complex number. Once again, z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Z means this is a one complex number. This one complex number, to apply multiplicative inverse, this is the formula for multiplicative inverse. This is the formula for multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse formula is what? Z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Z bar meaning if change imaginary part of the sign. 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i. Modulus of z whole square. Modulus of z whole square is, what do you mean by modulus? Square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part square, 2 square is 4. Negative square always positive, 3 square is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Square and root get cancelled. Value is root. Value is 13. Right? All these two values substitute in the formula. This is one method. In another method is the reciprocal form. If you have one method, it is enough. Suppose if you forget the formula, in another method, reciprocal form. Only one example, I will explain both method. In the remaining examples, I will explain direct formula method. That is direct method, reciprocal or reciprocal form. Reciprocal. Z becomes 1 by z is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3i. Yes, 2 minus 3i. Division of complex by applying rationalizing the function. Rationalize. Rationalizing the function. Yes, 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i. Numerator 2 plus 3i denominator is equal to 1 by z is what? Z inverse. Denominator a minus b, a plus b. That is the formula is there, a minus b, a plus b. Do you know that a minus b, a plus b formula is what? A square minus b square. That is the formula. A is what? 2 square minus b is what? 3i whole square. Numerator 2 plus 3i. That is z inverse numerator 2 plus 3i as it is divided by here 2 square 4 minus here 3 square I square value is what? Minus 1. That is 2 plus 3i divided by 4. I square value is what? Minus 1 minus 1 is plus 3 square is 9. 4 plus 9 is 20. Any one method use, that is 2 marks question is there. Any one method. If you use formula method or direct method. If you perfect the formula, write the formula, solve. Otherwise, forget the formula, apply direct method. Take reciprocal. Any doubt? Z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Reciprocal 1 by z plus 1 by z. This is division of complex, algebra on complex number. Division of complex 2 minus 3i. Rationalize this one 2 plus 3i, 2 plus 3i. Multiply numerator, multiply denominator. Numerator 2 plus 3i. A minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. This is 3 square, I square. I square value minus 1 minus plus 4 plus 9. Next, we'll explain direct formula method. Example number 2. Find multiplicative inverse of. Find multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. Find multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. That is, let z is equal to 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. Find multiplicative inverse. We know that formula for the multiplicative inverse, z multiplicative inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. This is the formula for multiplicative inverse. To find the value of z bar, to find the value of modulus of z whole square, one by one. First one, modulus of z is what? Modulus of z is equal to, that is, okay, square root of real part square 4 square, imaginary part square minus 3 whole square. Modulus of z is equal to square root of 4 square 16 plus negative square always positive. 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. Here that is square 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 get cancel. Value is what? 25. This is the modulus of z whole square. Next, that is to find here z bar. That is z bar is what? Z bar is equal to, first one, 4 minus 3i. Bar means change imaginary part of the sign. Just here plus 4 minus 3i becomes 4 minus 3i becomes 4 plus 3i. Change imaginary part of the sign. That is the meaning for conjugate. Conjugate means bar. Bar means change imaginary part of the sign. Substitute these two values in equation number 1. That is z bar is what? 4 minus 3i becomes 4 plus 3i. Understood? Here 4 minus 3i becomes 4 plus 3i. Modulus of z whole square. Modulus means square root. Square and root get cancelled. Real part square plus imaginary square. This is the value. 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25. Any doubt? This is the formula method. Next. Next, example number 3. Example number 3. Find multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Root 5 plus 3i. Find multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Let solution, let z is equal to, let z is equal to root 5 plus 3i. Root 5 plus 3i. Find multiplicative inverse. We know that. Multiplicative inverse formula, z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. This is the formula. Find the value of 1 by 1 z bar and modulus of z whole square. To find the value of 1 by 1, that is z bar is what? Z bar is equal to, here, if real part as it is and change imaginary part of the sign. Change imaginary part of the sign. Root 5 plus 3i becomes minus 3i. That is here first one. Next, to find value of modulus of z whole square. That is modulus of z whole square value. Here, modulus meaning square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Here, real part is what? Root 5 square plus imaginary part square is what? 3 square. Here square as it is. In this case, here real part is equal to what? Root 5. Real part is root 5. Imaginary part is what? 3. Imaginary part is what? 3. Real part root 5. Imaginary part only 3. Real part square plus imaginary part square is is equal to, that is here, square and root get cancelled inside. 5 plus 3 square is what? 9. 3 square is what? 9 is equal to root 9 plus 5 or 5 plus 9, that is 14. Here square and root get cancelled, is equal to 14. Any doubt? Listen carefully. This one very important point. Z bar is, this is the conjugate. Meaning is what? Conjugate. This symbol modulus. Modulus square and root get cancelled. Z bar is what? A real part as it is, change imaginary part of the sign. This is the formula for conjugate. Modulus of z whole square. Modulus means square root of a real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part is what? Root 5 square. Imaginary part is what? 3 square. Here square is there. That is inside square and root get cancelled. 5, 3 square is 9. 5 plus 9, 14. Here square as it is. Inside, outside. Square and root get cancelled. Remaining only 14. Here 192 star 1 star 2 substitute here. That is root 5. That is plus 3i becomes minus 3i and divided by modulus of z whole square. Value is what? 14. This can be written root 5 divided by 14 minus 3 by 14i. This is real part. This is imaginary part. Read out. Just here carefully. Root 5 plus 3 is there. Z bar conjugate meaning plus 3i becomes minus 3i. Modulus of z whole square. Modulus formula is what? Square root of. Square and root get cancelled. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Next, find a multiplicative inverse of example number 4. Find a multiplicative inverse of some NCERT example is there. Find multiplicative inverse of only minus I. Only minus I is there. Here only minus I is there. In this place, real part is what? In this place, real part is what? 0. That is solution. Let z is equal to minus I. Z is equal to minus I. Find its multiplicative inverse. We know that z multiplicative inverse formula z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. This is the formula. That is equation number 1. Find one by one. That is first one to find. This is what definition of conjugate. This is the definition of mod or meaning modulus. Conjugate z bar Z bar is what? Do you know that Z bar, real part as it is, change imaginary part of the sign. Here any real is there? No real. Only imaginary is there. Only imaginary. Imaginary part of the sign change. Minus I becomes, that is minus I becomes plus I. Because that is conjugate definition, Z is equal to A plus IB is there. Z bar is what? A minus IB is there. Understood? Suppose here, suppose Z is equal to only IB is there. Z bar is what? Minus IB. Clear? That is in this part. Here, that is conjugate means here minus I is there. Conjugate meaning or definition of conjugate, real part as it is. Here no real part, only imaginary is there. Sign change, imaginary part of the sign change. Minus I becomes plus I. That is first one. Next, modulus of Z whole square. Modulus of Z whole square. Square root of, yes, square and root get cancelled. Real part is what? Real part, no, 0, not necessary. Real part is 0, not necessary. Imaginary part is what? In this place, here real part is what? Real part, no real part. In this place, real part is 0. Imaginary part is in this place minus 1. Imaginary part is minus 1. Real part 0, not necessary. Here minus 1 also. Square and root get cancel. Minus 1 whole square is equal to negative square always positive. 1 square is what? 1. Substitute these two in equation number 1. That is Z bar is what? Plus I divided by 1 is equal to what? I. This is the value of this. Keep in your mind, find multiplicators of minus. Any doubt? Here Z bar is there, minus I becomes plus I, and modulus of Z whole square, square root of square is there. Real part 0, not necessary. Imaginary part is minus 1 whole square. In this place, real part is 0, imaginary part is what? Minus 1. Clear? Real part is 0, not necessary. Imaginary part is minus 1 whole square. Clear? Square and root get cancelled. Negative square always positive, plus. Understood? Negative square always plus. 1 square is 1. 1 to the power any number always 1. That is what it is. That is purely imaginary. Next, example number 5th. Example number 5. Find a multiplicate inverse of. Find a multiplicate inverse of 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. Let Z is equal to 3 minus 4i. This is the question. We know that the formula, multiplicate inverse formula, Z multiplicate inverse is equal to Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. Find 1 by 1, that is z bar is equal to 3 minus 4i, bar means conjugate, change imaginary part of this minus becomes plus. Here that is first one conjugate is what? To find modulus of z whole square. Modulus of z whole square. Square root of square as it is. Square root of real part square. In this place, real part is what? 3. Imaginary part is what? Minus 4. In this place, real part is 3. Imaginary part is minus 4. That is 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Square and root get cancel. Remaining 3 square. Negative square always positive. Negative square always positive. 3 square is what? 9. 4 square is what? 16. 9 plus 6, 24. Substitute. That is, substitute is there. In the formula, z bar 3 minus 4i becomes plus 4i conjugate. That is, we are divided by 25. As it is. It is enough. This is the multiplicative numbers. Next. Sixth one. Just sixth one, different type. Find multiplicative inverse of, that is minus 1 minus i. Just both are negative. Find multiplicative inverse of minus 1 minus i. In this place, real part is what? Minus 1. Imaginary part is also minus 1. The real part minus 1, imaginary part minus 1. Part, let z is equal to minus 1 minus i. Be a complex number. To find the multiplicative inverse of this complex number, we know that the formula, that is, we know that the formula is what? Z multiplicative inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. This is the formula. Yes, to find one by one, here this is what? Conjugate. This is what? Conjugate. This is the formula for modulus. Mod symbol. This is conjugate symbol. This is modulus symbol. Modulus of conjugate, find out first one. Conjugate of z. First one, conjugate. In this place, a real part is what? Minus 1. Imaginary part is what? Minus 1. Understood? Just keep in your mind. Real part is what? Minus 1. Imaginary part is what? Minus 1. Sign important. Minus 1. Not I. Imaginary part. Conjugate meaning real part as it is. Yes, real part as it is. Real. Keep in your mind. Real. Conjugate. Change imaginary part side. Yes, minus I becomes plus I. Minus I becomes plus I. Listen carefully. Here, minus 1 minus I. Write its bar. Bar another name conjugate. Go for bar, that is change the image. Imaginary part of this side. That is real part as it is. real part as it is. Change imaginary part of the sign. That is the definition of conjugate. Definition of conjugate means here change imaginary part sign. Change imaginary part sign. Change imaginary part sign only. That is the conjugate. This is next to find modulus of z whole square. Modulus of z whole square. Modulus formula is what? Square root of real part square. Here real part is what? -1 plus imaginary part is what? Imaginary part is also -1 whole square. This square as it is, this square as it is. That is square and root get cancelled. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Negative square always positive. Negative square always positive. Keep in your mind. Negative square always positive. 1 square is what? 1. 1 square is what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Substitute z bar at modulus of z whole square. That is z bar real part as it is, change imaginary part of this -1 plus divided by 2. This written also in the form of -1/2 plus I by 2 -1/2 plus I by 2 or -1/2 plus 1/2 times real part is -1/2, imaginary part is 1/2. There is next example number 7. Homework. Example number 7. Homework. Do your home. Example number 7. Homework. That is two minus root 3 I. 2 minus root 3. There is here z bar is what? 2 minus becomes plus root 3 I. Write its modulus whole square. Square root of 2 square, root 3 square. Square and root get cancelled, mean square get cancelled. 4 plus 3. That is the value. This is the homework. Try and work on. Okay, I will continue to the next class.